Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. If you're looking to turn your business dreams into reality or take your existing venture to new heights, then you've come to the right place. Developing a solid business plan is absolutely essential to achieving your goals, and that's where we come in. Hello and welcome to another informative video by the USA Leaders. In this video, we are going to dive into the 6 crucial steps you need to take to develop a solid business plan. And what better way to illustrate these steps than by using the example of a legendary brand like Tesla. So get ready to take some notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge and tools you need to create a winning business plan that will help you achieve your goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your mission and vision. Your mission and vision statements are the building blocks of your plan, shaping the very core of your business. They're what define your purpose, set you apart from the competition, and guide you towards your long-term objectives. Take Tesla for instance. Their mission and vision are all about driving the world towards sustainable energy and revolutionizing the auto industry with their groundbreaking electric cars. It's clear and concise, and sets them apart from the rest. Step 2. Conduct market research. If you want to truly understand your target audience, their needs, and the competition, you need to dive deep into the world of market research. This vital step helps you craft a unique value proposition that sets your business apart from the rest. Tesla knows this all too well. They conduct exhaustive market research to gain a better understanding of consumer behavior, preferences, and trends. This includes analyzing customer data, studying the competition, and identifying new opportunities in the market. Step 3. Develop a marketing strategy. Your marketing strategy is what connects your business to your target audience. It's all about identifying the channels that resonate with your customers and crafting a messaging strategy that speaks to their needs and desires. For example, Tesla's sustainable energy and innovative technology approach is not just about selling cars, but providing the necessary infrastructure for its operation. And they don't stop there. Tesla also builds brand awareness through social media campaigns, influencer partnerships, and events. Step 4. Create a financial plan. Let's face it, without a solid financial plan, your business won't go very far. That's why you need to create a budget, identify revenue sources, and project your financials for the next few years. For example, Tesla projects revenue and expenses for upcoming years to ensure sustainable growth, identify funding sources, set financial targets, and manage cash flow to support their operations and future growth. Step 5. Define your organizational structure. Your organizational structure is like the blueprint of your business. It's what ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, and how decisions are made and communicated throughout the company. Tesla's got this down pat. They clearly define key roles and responsibilities to ensure their operations run like a well-oiled machine. They outline their management team and define the reporting structure to support effective decision-making and communication. Step 6. Create an action plan. Your action plan is your roadmap to success. It's what outlines the steps you'll take to achieve your business goals and the resources you'll need to make it happen. Take a cue from Tesla, who's always on the move. They're constantly developing new electric car models, expanding into new markets, and investing in research and development to improve battery technology. They're continuously innovating to maintain their competitive edge and achieve their mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope these essential steps to developing a business plan have been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and share this video. Also subscribe to the USA Leaders YouTube channel for more valuable tips and information to help you grow your business.